Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials: battery at or above 20%, backup completed, and the case removed so heat can dissipate. Once done, restart the phone and watch when it turns off during charge, idle, or heavy apps, because that pattern informs the root cause. Make sure to disable automatic restart settings and check battery health in settings. This tells you if the battery is degraded. Do these first actions now. They save time and guide the deeper fixes that follow. Once basic checks are done, boot into safe mode to see if third-party apps force shutdowns. If the phone stays on, an app is the culprit. Next, inspect diagnostics: battery voltage, kernel panic entries, and temperature spikes. These explain whether hardware or software fails. Make sure to update the OS and all apps, then clear the cache partition or reinstall offending apps. This often fixes corrupted system files. If crashes persist, note exact error messages for the final repair. You finish by choosing the right repair. Replace the battery when health is below 80% or it's swollen, because degraded cells can force shutdowns. If software remains suspect, perform a factory reset after securing your backup, then monitor the phone for 24 to 48 hours to confirm stability. If problems continue, take the device to a service center and bring your error logs and observations. This speeds diagnosis. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent power loss persists, test with a known good charger and cable before any hardware swap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.